Our home is a place where we expect to feel safe and protected, so investing in home security is a great way to safeguard your family and peace of mind. Here are some essential home security tips. Before investing in new security gear, walk around your home and check your doors and windows for secure locks. This will help you identify and prioritize areas for improvement. Upgrading your locks is one of the most effective and straightforward ways to enhance your protection. Other affordable ways to increase security include door reinforcement, adding peepholes to doors, securing sliding doors, and adding window film. Alarm systems can provide a comprehensive security net, while smart home security systems offer unparalleled convenience and information. Many insurers offer home insurance discounts for homes equipped with security features, which can help offset the cost of your upgrades over time. Investing in home security can help you protect your property and your peace of mind. Reach out to a AAA insurance agent or visit our website to learn more about coverage options and how securing your home can help you lower your insurance premiums.